गोवा फॉर गोवन्स हिंगा येवन मातशें तेणी बोर्ड केलो आनी आमी गोंयकारांनी येवपा जाय असो कितें कोता जाल्यार तांकां आदार दिवपा जाय कित्याक ना जाल्यार कांय जावपा ना आतां कितू टायम जाल्यार आमी सायडीन वयता रस्त्यार होंड पळय आनी हिंगा सगळी घाण आमी सदां वयता हे सायडीन आमकां ते वास येता आनी कितें जाल्यार आमी जायत पाट म्हूण चोयलें म्हळ्यार कांय जायना पूण हो एक तेंगे बरो सपोर्ट कोणे मातशें इश्यू रेज केलो म्हणून तुमचे सपोर्ट तांकां फुलां कित्याक आमी सदां वयता हिंगा गांवकार आनी आमी सदां ट्रॅफीक जाम जाता होंडा पडय एक्सिडेंट जाता हिंगा जायते.
Right to life or right to live is a basic fundamental human right accepted and acknowledged by all the countries all over the world. The condition of the market which you see right now, it denies the right to health and automatically as an elaboration the right to life to ordinary Goans. Goals for Goa is doing a very great job by raising the issue of the condition of this market, and musical warriors will always be with any cause which is related to the benefit of Goans, and we will always be with any and every organization which will speak or which will become a voice box for the people of Goa.
When I know that there are so many educated, decent people in Goa with loads of money, driving around in so many posh cars, having luxurious homes, and nobody cares, nobody does care about the hygiene conditions about this area. It saddens me. Are we not educated people to raise our voices today? Are we just going to sit in our home and be the Susega type?
We are happy to know that Vijay came yesterday to this market, and we welcome his move that he has come here. He has given, we were not here, but from the press and from the statements coming on his Twitter and on Facebook and other things, we have understood that he has given a promise and has told the press that he has got an administrative approval of 2 crores for this fish market, and that he will float a tender very soon. We hope, and we will work with him. If this is our intentions, we will see that he completes this project. So the first installment of this protest has been done. He has given a promise. But politicians, their promises are as good as, the next day they are not there. So we have started this protest as the first phase. We will continue this protest until this project is completed. That is, the next 30 days we will do it again here. And if it's not done, anything is not done, then we will see the next 30 days until we get it done. We don't have any gripe with Vijay Sadhya nor the government. Only we want is cleanliness. That's our objective, and there's no other motive.